Let's put store-bought produce to the test with a simple baking soda wash. First, mix 1 teaspoon of pure baking soda into 2 cups of water until it completely dissolves. Pour your fresh cleaning solution into a clean glass bowl. Let's start with the apple. Submerge it individually and watch how the baking soda instantly reacts with the surface wax. Now, pour that used wash water into our first glass. Notice the cloudy, milky film of stripped wax. Next up, fresh strawberries. Submerge them carefully to break down hidden field dust and residues. Pouring this sample into our second glass reveals a faint amber tint from the surface dirt. Third, our leafy green spinach. Press them gently so the solution penetrates every fold. Pouring the spinach wash into glass number 3 shows a distinct greenish earthy tint. Finally, the bell pepper. Submerge it to tackle that heavy commercial transport coating. Pouring this final wash into glass number 4 reveals a heavily opaque, oily suspension. Look at that incredible comparison! Now you know exactly what's on your food.
Ever wonder what makes grocery store apples look so impossibly shiny? Pour some boiling water over them, folks. Let them sit and dry for a second. If a thick, cloudy white film appears, that apple has been coated in petroleum wax just to look good on the shelf. Make sure to give it a rigorous scrub under the tap. Number 2, bananas. Pay close attention to the color of the stem. If it is still bright green like this one, it was picked completely raw and hit with gas to force it to turn yellow. You want to look for the real deal. A naturally ripened banana has a dark brown stem and those classic uneven brown spots. That is where the flavor is. Number 3, strawberries. You might want to brace yourself for this one. Drop a handful into a bowl of water with a good splash of vinegar. Give them a gentle mix, and now wait 5 minutes. Take a really close look at that water. All those tiny bugs and dirt particles floating around? What comes out in that bowl will show you exactly what you've been eating. Give them a final rinse, and they are safe to plate. Hit that subscribe button for more daily tips.